have a quick sip of this. I think it's too hot though. Oof. That was too hot. Oh, God. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. In today's video I am bringing you a huge B&M haul. I went to B&M for the first time since March. I think it was March probably the last time I went. I haven't been in for the whole lockdown, and I really fancied going in and just doing one of those big crazy B&M shops where you just buy everything. So I did a bit of that, bit of random shopping where I just put loads and loads of stuff in the trolley and just prayed that it didn't come to thousands at the till. No, it wasn't that bad. So go and get yourself a drink. Why not? I've got a chai latte. Go get yourself a nice hot drink, relax and sit back, and I will show you everything that I bought from B&M. Okay, so I got 2 big bags from B&M and I got a piece of furniture. I think you can call it furniture, that I'll show you in just a minute. But first of all, I can't remember what I've even bought. You go into like a bit of a different state of mind in B&M, don't you? Just autopilot, where you just put things in the trolley. So that's a bit what I was like. But I've got my receipt as well, so I can tell you prices. I'll start with this because it's the first thing that's come out the bag. Toothbrush. Don't worry guys, it gets a little bit more interesting than that. But I picked up a new toothbrush for Dylan. There you go. We all know what they do. I think it was £1. Second thing that I like to get from B&M is the Tassimo pods, and I got the latte macchiato caramel. I love these. I also love the Costa caramel latte ones, and I love the chai latte pods. I thought I would get these because I have not had these for ages, and they're about £4 in B&M, so quite a good price. I'm excited to have some pods again for my machine because I get through them so quickly when I do have them, and I don't get them all the time. A lot of the time I get them in like Christmas time. I don't know why. I feel like that's the time when I have nice coffees in, mainly because I do that thing of thinking, well, if anybody pops around, that I can give them a nice drink. Does anybody else do that? I try and keep the good coffee in, I suppose. But yeah, anyway, there we go, some Tassimo latte macchiato caramel pods. If you haven't tried them and you like a sweet coffee, or if you like a caramel latte, you will probably like these as well. These are really nice. Next up, I got some cushion covers. So I have got a lot of the inners for cushions. I've got a lot of the cushions, but not the cases that I want. I wanted some more for this sofa, but I didn't want to buy the whole pillow. Am I making sense? So I picked up these, and these were £4.99, and it is a pack of 2. So I will go and dig out the pillows and put them on. I think it's similar to that one. This needs a new pillow in it because it's like a wafer, really thin little pathetic pillow. I actually want to get some feather ones eventually, but yeah, I've got to swap a lot out for feathers, but I will do that gradually. But yes, just got a couple of these. They had a few other nice colours, and yeah, for £4.99, 2 pillowcases. If you obviously don't need the whole pillow, then that is a bargain. Next in the bag is some Shore antiperspirant. Pretty, again, self-explanatory. I like to get a lot of these sorts of things, like bath and body stuff and cleaning stuff, from places like B&M and Home Bargains, because usually they are the cheapest. So I picked this up. It was £1.49 if anybody is interested and wanted to know how much that was from B&M. £1.49. There you go. I really wanted some bubble bath. Wanted something that was, I don't know, I wanted something that would look nice in the bathroom as well, but I couldn't find anything, because a lot of the time, like in Home Bargains and that, they have nice looking things. I didn't really mind if it was any good. I just wanted some display bubble bath. Is that ridiculous? It is quite ridiculous. Or like, you know, like just nice bath salts and things on the side. Anyway, they didn't really have anything like that, and then I thought actually I'd quite like some to actually use. So I picked up some Radox. This is actually, is it bath milk? This is actually bath cream, not bath milk. Bath cream for the bath, calendula and rose, if you knew what that was. So yeah, I picked this up. They really didn't have a lot of stuff. That smells lovely. And this was £1.20. Also, the last thing in this bag, I'm sorry, this is not an exciting item either. Some washing up liquid, elbow grease, washing up liquid. There we, you know what it does, you know what it's for. And that was 89p for this. So there we go. Gotta get some boring stuff when you're there as well as the exciting stuff, don't you? Okay, I'll move on to the next bag. Okay, I got these for pizza. Big bag of Cheeto Puffs, the flaming hot flavour, because he loves those. You get a pack of 8 in there, and they were £1 if you like them as well. Another thing I picked up, which I am quite excited about, I might have wanted to get another one actually, because I am going to get a dressing table for my bedroom again. To cut a long boring story short, I used to have one, then I thought no, I don't really need that, I'll just get a chest of drawers. Now I'm thinking, why did I not have a dressing table anymore? That's ridiculous. I really want one again. So I thought it'd be good to get some makeup organisers, hoping that they actually fit when I have picked the... I'm having a hard time picking the dresser that I want, basically, the dressing table. I bought some makeup storage to go in it, and these were £1.99. I got 2 of these, and I just thought they were really good. I think they had different kinds. There seemed to be a lot of storage in B&M when I went. There was a lot of new storage boxes, lots of drawer storage and cupboard storage, and the ones that you get for the kitchen. If I'd have had more time and I'd like thought about it better, like I think if I go around and measure in my kitchen and things and actually get the right sizes for boxes, because I find it really difficult going in the shop and thinking, oh, I want storage boxes, and then just not being organised enough to know what kind and what size and what's going to fit where. But I would definitely go to B&M if you are looking for things like the nice plastic storage boxes. They've got ones that say like kitchen on the side and like swirly writing and that. So I would definitely go to B&M for storage. But yeah, I thought they're going to be really good to keep all my bits of makeup in, because I am a nightmare. I've tried so many different ways of keeping my makeup, and makeup bags and things just do not work for me, so I need it all on show, because I'm just end up getting really disorganized with it. So I got a couple of those, so I'm happy with them. £1.99 each. Now I am fully on the Fabulosa bandwagon. I used to like Zoflora. I moved on with the I keep calling it Fabulosa, and I find it great. I absolutely love the carpet sprays. I've got some of that from Home Bargains, and I got some of the all-in-one disinfectant spray in Unicorn Dust. They obviously have 1,000 different scents of all these kind of things, but I was amazed at how many more things they do than Zoflora's. There was even a spray for your clothes where it's like spray and go, and there was loads and loads of this kind of stuff in B&M, like basketfuls of it. So yeah, this obviously is great for disinfecting everything, so I can just go around, spray everything with it, and it smells really nice. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, it is quite strong smelling. I quite like that. So I got that, and then I got another one in the scent Electrify. Is that the smell? I'm just gonna have a smell of that. Oh god, it smells like perfume, but I love that. I know, like, I do get that it's not everyone's cup of tea. I'm probably gonna sneeze now. So these are for hard and soft surfaces, and it tells you on the back what you can use them on. So you can use them on car seats, mattresses, pet beds, dashboards, the shower. Oh, that smells really nice. It smells like a perfume. The bins, the toilet. I mean, that's what I want. I want a spray that I can just literally go crazy with. So yeah, these are £1.79 this was. Obviously it's big, and like I say, loads of different scents. So yeah, I'm happy with that, because it can just kill the germs. Next in the bag, good old Febreze. Forgot what it was called then, because again, that is just something that we all use and need. Oh, it says it can freshen jeans, so you can give your jeans a spray with it. I got this in the scent Blossom and Breeze, and I think it was like £1.50. Again, this shows you on the back what you can use it for. I mean, we all know what Febreze does, and yeah, I love that. I'm pretty obsessed with the house smelling good. We have a dog, and he's tiny and he's not particularly smelly, not really, but it does make me a little bit paranoid, and I do like to have a lot of air fresheners and sprays and things. Yeah, I like to have a good smelling house. Next up, a couple of food bits. I picked up these for the kids, some Nature Valley bars. They were about £1, I think. They are just good for the kids' snacks. I bought a load from Home Bargains not long ago in an online order actually, and I got about 5 boxes, and it was a really good price, but I just picked these up, so get yourself some of them. I also got some of these for the kids. These little milkshake straws in a strawberry flavour. They love these because obviously they are magic. You put them in your glass milk and it makes it strawberry flavour. That's a bit of fun for them. They're not always a big fan of drinking milk, so on the occasion when I let them have these, they definitely drink a lot more milk. Obviously it's not as good because it's sugary in it, but yeah, some milkshake straws, and they do them in lots of different flavours. They were only 39p, so bargain really. Although it does say on them, not suitable for children under 3 years of age. Not that any of my kids are, but I'm wondering why that is. Is it like e-numbers or something? Slightly concerning. I'm not sure, but they really have them on a very rare occasion as just a little treat, so I'm not sure why they're not suitable for under 3. Oh, maybe it's because of the plastic and things. Maybe it's not actually the actual straw contents. I don't know, but they love them anyway. For 39p, I am quite happy to pick up a pack of them when I go in B&M. Next up, I got some forks. £2 for 4 forks. Because for some reason all of our forks are going missing. I don't know where they go. I actually embarrassingly think that maybe when we have takeaways they get thrown away, like with the takeaway containers. I don't know, but we seem to lose forks like really quickly. And also guys, if you hear any like weird breathing in this video, Archie is just to the side of me, just creeping around like a ninja. So yeah, if you wonder what on earth that noise is, just Arch. Next up, I picked up this gold peel off facial mask. I think it was £1, really cheap. Might not have even been that much actually. No, it was £1. This is the kind of thing that when I'm in B&M for some reason I go around and think, yeah, that's, get one of them, get one of them. And this is a dual step face mask, so it's got a gel cleanser in it and then it's got the peel off mask. So it's got 2 separate sections, so that'll be interesting to see if it's any good. Who doesn't love a face mask? Next, I got my shampoo and conditioner. I really like the Elvive range, so I got the detangling conditioner and the restoring shampoo. Yeah, it's just always the one that I find is nice on my hair. I do feel like I have to change what brand of shampoo I have after a certain period of time. Does anybody else find that? Like if you use a certain brand for a while, it ends up making your hair feel like it's not washing it properly, and then I'll change to a different one and then it's okay again. I feel like I have to do that quite often. But yeah, at the minute this one is what I am using, and these were £1.99 each, and that is just my preferred brand. I picked up this is mainly for Dylan, who loves this saucy sauce. So obviously it's just mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together. Neither of the other two like sauces, but Dylan is a bit of a sauce monster and he loves this. I think it just makes him laugh as well, the fact that it's saucy sauce. When we have barbecues and things, this is what he likes to have on his burger and things, so that is for him mainly. It always reminds me of Step Brothers, if you know which bit of Step Brothers I mean, with the special sauce. Yeah, that's what it always reminds me of when it's ketchup and mayonnaise mixed together. I absolutely love that film. So yes, that is mainly for Dylan and it was £1. I also picked up a bag of Skittles. Again, why? I don't really know, just random. The kids had some other bits that there's already been eaten and I just picked up these for them. None of them particularly are big chocolate fans. Toby thinks it's like poison for some reason. He just thinks chocolate is disgusting. So I got them just some Skittles to have one night, unless I eat them. There is a strong possibility that that will actually happen. I just feel like I'm conditioned when I go into B&M to put snacky foods in the trolley. It was really difficult to not pick up a load of chocolate bars and sweets and crisps and things, because I just feel like that's what most people do. I hope that's what most people do, because that's what we do. Little snack runs to B&M. Maybe it's just us. But yeah, I tried really hard not to just go crazy in the sweet aisles, which I was quite good at. I just picked up a bag of Skittles and Peter's crisps and a few bits that the kids have already eaten, but I didn't get anything for me. So there we go. And then the last item that I picked up was this. Put it the right way. So it is this. I hadn't seen these before. They did them in this colour and in grey. So it is a big storage ottoman, but in a round shape. This is going to go in Dylan and Archie's room, because their room is like grey and mustard colours, and it's extra storage. I need it always for their toys, and it's pretty and it's a seat. I'm excited to see what that's like. I might actually just insert a clip of it, see what it's like. I'll show you in just a second. So guys, I just wanted to show what the storage box looks like when it is put together. Obviously there was not really any putting together involved. I just had to put the base in it. but it looks like it's going to hold quite a bit, doesn't it, Arch? Yeah, here in your Christmas pyjamas for a change. So yeah, I don't know how sturdy it's going to be once the kids have like climbed all over it probably, but yeah, there we go. I think that's going to go great in their room. What do you think, Arch? Do you like it? Yeah, gonna put some toys in it. Probably not going to last 2 minutes, to be fair, but £14.99 from B&M that was. So yeah, happy with that. So that is everything I bought from B&M, guys. And I also wanted to just quickly share with you some prints that I have in my living room. So bear with me, I'll come around the other end of the camera. So just before I go, I really wanted to share these prints with you because I am so in love with them. And these are from a company on Instagram, a lady called Kaylee Marie Designs. I will share her Instagram below if you want to go and check out all of her beautiful prints. I actually was gifted these, but I can promise you that her prices are so reasonable. And this quote, I actually just asked her if she minded doing this for me. So she's really happy to do custom quotes, which I just thought was brilliant. She's got so many other things that I want to get, and I actually have a discount code if you are interested in getting any prints for your home, which is Carly30. I will link it below. That gets you 30% off, which, like I say, she's already really reasonably priced, and I just absolutely love them. I got the frames off Amazon and I just think they're beautiful. Like I say, she's got so many really nice prints, so I just wanted to share them with you in case you wanted any for your home and you are looking for some. I thought, well, I will share the fact that I have a discount code for something very similar. So there we go, guys. So guys, that is everything I have to show you in my B&M haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, then it would mean the world to me if you hit the subscribe button. I post videos twice a week on a Wednesday and a Sunday on all sorts of things: fashion, motherhood, beauty, lifestyle, cleaning, hauls, crafts, everything. So I would absolutely love to have you with me on my channel, and I will see you again for my next video, guys. Bye, take care.